So today's task is I got to trim these trees because we're going to add on to our shop. We're going to put a steel building on this and we need to trim these trees. So what we did is we went to Home Depot and we bought a cordless 12-inch battery-powered DeWalt chainsaw, and I'm going to trim these trees back because the new building's can go right up against the edge of the slab, and the trees will be protruding over the slab and in the way of the building. So we'll come back and we'll do a time-lapse video of trimming these down. Right now we're just going to cut them, set the branches off to the side, then we'll get a shredder and we'll grind the stuff up and use it for mulch.